Hello everyone, this is Steven from Atomy Canada. Today I am introducing you to Ch.Atomy. Ch.Atomy is an online platform where you can find a variety of content from educational lectures to fun videos. Ch.Atomy is a very convenient tool where you can access on a computer, mobile, anytime, anywhere. Ch.Atomy has 7 categories, including products, French and business resources, so you can easily find the content you are looking for. Especially the O Canada category. This is where you can find Canada's original content. We hope you will be the next one to appear here. To share the absolute quality of Atomy's products, you can use educational PPT as well as posters. Educational PPTs are under presentation content in the business resources category. Product posters are under product posters, also in the business resources category. You can sort content by newest, most viewed, and most favorite. Product posters will be uploaded more and more in the future. Let's see how you download the product posters. For example, Synergy Ampoule program. The download button is located at the bottom of the poster. Are there any videos that you want to watch again? Then you can create your own favorite list. Simply click on the star at the top right corner. Then the video is saved into your favorite list. Your favorite list is located under My List, which you can find at the top right corner of Ch.Atomy. Click now on Favorite to find your saved videos. You can also share videos with your partners and friends with Ch.Atomy. Find the sharing button beside the video. You can share on social media or copy the URL link. You can search videos by keywords on Ch.Atomy. If you are looking for promotion speeches, type promotion. Here is the secret. If you are looking for specific content, you can search for multiple words by using hashtags. This episode covered Ch.Atomy today. This is such a convenient tool to access online materials. More smart Atomian guides will be up to help your Atomy life, so please watch. Thank you everyone.